Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? So, students, now we are doing our chapter number 2, computer, hardware, and software. Okay, we have done till processing unit. Now, today we will start computer software. Okay, we have done computer hardware and processing unit. Now, today we will learn about computer software. Okay, so computer software are set of programs which are installed in the computer. These are set of programs which can be installed in the computer and that cannot be seen or touched. Okay, computer software are the set of programs and instructions, means these are applications which can be installed in the computer and which we cannot see or touch. Okay, these are set of programs, these are applications, programs that we can install. Okay, that we can install in the computer but we cannot see and we cannot touch. Children, we can say that they are like the current flowing in the wire. Okay, we can say that our computer software is like a current flowing in the wires. We know that current is flowing in the wires but we cannot see. Okay, same way computer software also set of program and instructions which can be installed in the computer but cannot be seen or touched. These are mainly divided into three types. One is system software, second is application software, and third is utility software. Okay, first is system software, second is application software, third is utility software. Now first one, let us start system software. So what is system software? System software is a software which controls the working of the computer. Okay, system software is the software. Okay, this software also we are installing in computer, system software which controls the working of the computer. It provides the interface to the user to work on the computer. It provides the interface means medium. It provides the medium to the user means who is using the computer. Okay, who is using the computer. It provides the interface means medium to the user to work on the computer. So examples are MS-DOS, okay, MS-DOS, MS Windows and Linux. Okay, Linux are the examples of system software. Okay, so these are examples of system software. System software, one more time, try to understand. System software is a software which controls the working of computer. Okay, and examples are MS Windows, MS DOS and Linux are the examples of system software. Now come to next one, application software. So what is application software? Application software is a software which enables you to perform some specific task on the computer. Okay, application software is a software which enables means able us to. Okay, enables means able us to perform some specific task. Okay, some specific kind of task on the computer like typing, writing, okay, typing letters, drawing pictures, watching movies, etc. So with the help of application software, what we can do, we can typing letters, drawing picture, watching movies, etc. And the examples are MS Office, Paint, Windows Media Player are the common examples of application software. These are the common examples. Which MS Office. Okay, if you have to write something, you have to do typing. Okay, so where we are doing our typing? MS Office. Okay, so and Paint, if we have to drawing picture, so which application we are using? Paint. If we have to watch movies, we have to listen music, so which application we are using? Window Media Player. So these are the common examples of application software. Okay. Now third one is utility software. So utility software is a software which helps you in keeping the computer parts in proper working condition. Okay, utility software is a software which helps you to keeping the all computer parts in proper working condition. Okay, this utility software it is making sure that all the parts of computer will be working properly. Okay, they also make our computer work fast. They also make our computer work fast. So examples are disk defragmenter, okay, disk cleanup, etc. are the examples of utility software. Okay, disk defragmenter, disk cleanup are the examples of utility software. So these are the example of utility software. So utility software, what this is doing, which helps you to keep computer parts in proper working condition. Okay, and this also make our computer works fast. So these are the three types of software. Okay, computer software. These are the three types of computer software. So see, you can see here disk cleanup. So cleanup, it is given here. See, cleanup option for local disk, how we are keeping, okay, files here, removing temporary files, uninstall programs, cleaning temporary files which we have cleaned, which these files should no long needed. They were original created by setup program no longer running. Now these, like this, cleaning temporary files means these files now no longer needed. So all these are the parts of computer software. So with this your chapter is over. Now some points to remember, some things to remember. Before that, see, this is very important part. Who is this? This is Microsoft. Was founded by William Henry Bill Gates. So this person is Henry Bill Gates. Okay, Microsoft was founded by this person, William Henry Bill Gates, in 1985. Okay, this is the fact you have to learn. Who has founded Microsoft? So Microsoft was founded by William Henry Bill Gates in 1985. Okay, 1985. Now some points to remember. Computer system consists of which parts? Both hardware as well as software. Computer system consists of, or computer system is, computer is a combination of hardware and software. Okay, the hardware parts of computer are divided further into three units, that is input unit, output unit and storage unit. And hardware are the physical set of components which we can see or touch. Okay, now software is that part of computer that cannot be touched physically. Okay, CPU I told only. CPU is central processing unit, is a brain of the computer, Now next is there are three types of computer: system software, application software and utility software. Like hardware, okay, computer hardware is divided into three parts, three units: input, output unit and storage unit. Okay, and software computer is divided into three types: system software, application software and utility software. Okay, Okay, so this exercise we will do in next video. Okay, I hope this is clear to all. Read these both pages, try to understand. Okay, do your reading practice regularly. Underline the difficult words, try to speak them 2-3 times loudly. Okay, have a good day to all. God bless you.